Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking essentials and taking immediate action. First, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. If not, toggle it off and on to force a reconnection. Once done, confirm airplane mode is off and look for signal bars or 4G/5G icons so WhatsApp can reach servers. Restarting the phone clears transient network glitches, so reboot now and then open WhatsApp. Observe any specific error message. This tells you what to fix next and why the app cannot connect. You continue by isolating whether WhatsApp is the only problem. Test a browser and another messaging app. If they work, focus on WhatsApp. Clear the app cache or force stop it to remove stuck sessions, and make sure you have the latest update from the App Store because older builds lose compatibility. Also check device date and time. Incorrect clocks break encryption handshakes. Finally, disable VPNs, proxies, or strict firewall rules that can block WhatsApp's ports and prevent a successful connection. You finish by taking decisive recovery steps. Backup chats to Google Drive or iCloud, then uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. This resolves corrupted installs. If reinstalling fails, reset network settings to clear problematic Wi-Fi credentials or APN values. This often restores connectivity. If issues persist, capture screenshots or note error codes and contact WhatsApp support. Provide the device model, OS version, and approximate time of failure so they can interpret logs. One quick tip: test another SIM to rule out carrier blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.